Unbox a 1 million naira baby item goes with me that I ordered from China for my friend. She's having a baby and we bought everything from China. When I say everything, I mean every single thing from China. And it came so fast within 1 month, because we had to use sea cargo. Within 1 month it arrived. 1 month and few days, it arrived in our destination. And this is me showing you guys the things we bought with our 1 million naira. And just let me know in the comment section if it's worth it, if it's a good buy, or what do you think? How much did you think all this should cost? Let me know in the comment section. So just go on with me in this unboxing. This is the first thing we'll be opening, and I really can't remember what this is. I was just like, what is this, and they didn't even write what it is on the carton. It was just like a surprise. It was a surprise indeed, because we bought a lot of things and we cannot really say which is who, so we just have to open it to know what is inside. And this is me opening it right here in this video. Guys, this was the swing we ordered. This is a baby swing. As you can see, it is full iron, very heavy. We didn't really have time to set that up. We just put it aside and move on to the next box. So this is me unboxing the next carton. There's a lot of cartons in this one carton, like a lot in this one carton. As you can see, the way I'm bringing them out, it's just a lot in it. And don't worry, we are unboxing everything right in this video. There is no part 2. You're going to see every single thing. Then you're going to tell me, does it worth the 1 million naira, or do you think it will be better if you buy it here, or do you think it is very, very cheap buying it from China? Just let me know in the comment section. So inside those small cartons, we start unboxing it one by one. Then the first thing inside there was this baby pacifier. That pacifier that you can put fruit or anything inside, then the baby will be sucking it. Yes, so that was it. And this right here is a food mixer, baby food mixer. Yeah, baby food mixer. I was just like, this girl, you should just, but you don't even want to lay your finger on anything. You don't want to stress at all. Anyway, please, if you have the money, pay for your comfort, pay for everything, I beg. Then right here is baby feeder. Baby feeder comes with different accessories, brush, many things, foam to wash, and different accessories generally. And this feeder is so cute. It is so cute. Just take a look at me. Don't mind me. This feeder is so cute. I really loved it. Then moving on to this, what is this? Okay, this is like it's for the baby. Actually, it has the one for the mother. This one right here that I'm holding is for the mother. You put it around your waist to breastfeed, and it has this thing you wear in your hand that your baby will rest his or her head on. So it's very easy for you to breastfeed your baby. You can see the way I was demonstrating it. So that was it. It's actually a very good buy. And guys, it was so soft. The softness is out of this world. It was so soft and comfortable. And right here is another baby feeder. This baby feeder, see that thing at the top, that brown thing, it looks like real breast. It was like it's a silicone. It was, I don't know how to explain. I've never seen that type before. Everything in this box is just so amazing, very good quality, so lovely, guys. Another box unboxing. What do we have here? What is this? I can't even remember. Oh, okay, this is the baby cure sets, care sets. I don't know what it's called. This baby manicure, pedicure, hair, nose, mucus, and you guys know what this is, so that's just it. And this one, we didn't really get what it was in the first place. We're just like, what's this? We knew what this, that second one, we knew that one is for temperature. Not like, what's this one that is on lights like this. What's this one? It was later we now realize that it's for the ear. Yeah, it's for the ear. And that was just that about that. We have to pack it back. And moving on, this is the foldable bucket. I never knew this foldable bucket is always as strong, as solidified as this. Guys, this bucket is so thick. I mean, very thick. It was even hard for me to like stretch it down. It was so thick, and I just fell in love with it immediately. Like, wow, What's a good quality? Just take a look at this. Unbreakable, can never break. And this is the hand bowl to take water from it. Everything is just so perfect, so lovely. In fact, all this thing, I was just happy. I was happy that I delivered for them, and I'm happy my friend and her husband is also happy about this buy. They were so happy. Moving on to the next box. Yeah, here we have the this is the mixed storage pouch. Mixed storage pouch. So that's the mixed storage pouch. Moving on to the next box. What do we have here? What is this? Let's wait and see. What's this? Oh, the mini washing machine. So this is basically for the baby clothes. For the baby clothes only, to wash the baby clothes. The mother said she doesn't want to use the general washing machine for the baby, and she decided to buy this for the baby clothes. And this is so lovely. You can even use power bank, as in I didn't even know you can use power bank to power that washing machine. You can use power bank to power that washing machine, and it will wash, it will spin, it will do everything. I was even surprised. I didn't even know that. Moving on to the next box. What do we have here again? This is looking like, I think, baby carrier. Yes, I guess right. This is the baby carrier. I have never seen this type of baby carrier right here. Like around me, I've not seen someone using this type. And the quality, guys, the quality, the way they did it, I don't know how to explain. It's just so perfect, very comfortable. Moving on to the next, what we have up here. Oh, this is the clothes dryer. Yeah, so this type, I have never come across this type of baby clothes dryer before. Never ever. This is my first time. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I have never. And this looks so cute. Minimal, it doesn't occupy space, though we bought two of it, the regular ones and this one. So she was like, this one will actually be inside the house, then the other one will be outside the house. This one, I was in love with it. I was like, I'm going to get one for myself. Moving on to the next box. What do we have here? This is the what's it called? Flags. Water flags. It even comes with this thing to wash inside. All these items actually come with free things. Actually, these water flags, I have never come across it. If you've seen this type of water flags in the market before, do let me know. This water flags is, number one, is very big. The inside is very big. You can actually put water of like 4 liters or 5 liters, up to 5 liters inside. The inside is very big, and the way they did it is just like a water dispenser. You don't have to be opening your flags every now and then. Just press the up and water will just come out like a water dispenser. Very cutesy, very demure. I have to zoom this and let you guys see it is international standard hot and cold flags. Moving on to the next box. Looking at this carton, I can guess what is there, and I guess right, this is the bottle dryer and sterilizer. Something like that. It's dry the bottle, the baby bottle, then it sterilizes it, so you can put bottles, spoon, anything that the baby is using to eat actually. So it will dry after washing. After you wash it, you put it inside, you wash and rinse it very well, you put it inside, then it will dry it and sterilize it. Basically, that's the work of that one. Moving on to the next box. What do we have here? This one is quite big compared to the ones I've been opening, so I'm just curious, what is it? What can it be? I didn't even know actually. And I think this, I know now. This is actually the trolley. This is the trolley, guys. This trolley is so cute. Just wait and see the way I'm going to set it up. Though it's not really hard to do actually. Once you get the first, second step, just keep doing it like that, and before you know it, you've actually set everything up. And there is manual for you to check, so it's very easy to set up. But the beauty of this trolley, guys, the beauty of the trolley, hey, it's so cute. Just watch me while I set this up. And I just want to tell you something. I'm a kind of person that I like unboxing. Like is an understatement. I love unboxing. You see that moment, the kind of strength I will have will be times 10, because I will be very strong to do anything, to carry anything that period. I will not get tired though until I finish that thing. I don't want to know how very much the items are. I won't get tired because it's just what I love doing. I love to set up things. I don't know if anybody can relate, but let's leave that aside. Just take a look at this trolley. See this final result. See how cute it is. It has tire, it has holder at the back. This is me fixing the tire. This trolley is cute, guy. If something is good, I will say it's good. In Okpeyemi's voice, this is good. Man, this is definitely a good buy. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Honestly, it's so cute. Moving on to the next box. What do we have here? This is, let me guess. Wait, let me guess first before you jump into conclusion. Well, you might guess right. This is the foldable baby bath. It comes with this ball for baby to play. Yeah, this play thing. Then it comes with some other things to support your baby when bathing. Like this particular extra stuff is actually, you put it inside this bath, then you place your baby on it just like that. So your baby, if like water will not enter your baby hair or eyes or something, it's very, very okay, very, very safe. So anybody can bath a new baby, so that's not a problem anymore. It also comes with this I don't know what to call it. It's like a foam. I don't even know if it's meant to be used to bathe. I don't know. Everything is just there. This whole thing is just comes with that bath. I don't know, you guys, I'm sure you are going to know what it is used for. So, but me, I really can't say. I just know everything is for bathing of the baby. And also this bath have temperature measurements. Yes, it has that thing. When you throw it inside the water in the bath, it will give you the temperature of the water, so you know if it's too hot, if it's too cold, if it's perfect, if it's normal. You are going to know. So that's one thing I love about that bath. Moving on to the next box. So this is the hanger I told you guys earlier. That is the second of that round one. So this is the hanger. I love this one. So it's very, very strong, really, really strong, and it also has tire under. Basically, most of these heavy and big items has tire underneath. They have tire underneath. As in, China is already way, way ahead of us. Honestly, this thing is very, very easy to just slide in, slide out, to the right, to the left. Very, very smooth. As you can see, very, very smooth. It goes easily. Moving on to the next one. What do we have here? Let's see. Oh, this is the baby cot. Yeah, this is the baby cot. This baby cot is so strong. It actually has like different unique features. For instance, there's one side of the baby cot that you can just zip down and bring it down, then draw it closer to your bed, and it will level up with your bed. So your baby will not feel like maybe they are sleeping in another place. It just be as if they are sleeping beside you. Meanwhile, they are in their cot. So for those of you that your baby not like sleeping inside cot, this is the perfect cot for you guys. Just slide it down and bring it closer to the bedside, and you guys will just be equal on the bed, but you'll actually be in a cot and you will be on the bed. I don't know if you understand that scenario I'm trying to explain. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Moving on to the next one. This is actually quite big. At first, I didn't know what this is because we're just packing everything out in pieces. Then I just picked that. This is the baby wardrobe. Oh, hey guys, this baby wardrobe actually took a while to set up. I'm not going to lie, honestly, it took a while to set up, but the setting is actually very, very simple. Once you get the first, second step, just keep raising it up like that. And guys, look at this beauty. It's actually taller than I am. Just take a look at this. Very, very cute, very aesthetic, very lovely, very nice. Honestly, guys, so I guess that is all for this day. We ordered baby clothes. We actually did it by air. We did air cargo for the baby clothes, and it arrived earlier than this. So I think I'm just going to post that one later on for you to see the baby clothes. Those baby clothes are fire. Hey, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you're not following me, please go and do that now, because after this video I am going to be posting another video that you can actually connect with me through it, whereby I'll be telling you how you can import from China yourself, mind you, for free. Yes, for free. And this China app I am talking about, when you start using it, you will never want to use any other website or this shopping website again, because the prices are so cheap. Talking about prices, what do you think about the price of this one? Do you think the 1 million naira worth all this item? Mind you, the baby clothes is also among the 1 million naira, and there are some other things that actually pass through like the breast pump and every other thing. I think I'm just going to make a video of that and show you guys later. So it's not just all these things that are here that is 1 million naira. We've actually ordered for some other things earlier before. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.